Are you tired of dealing with constant errors when trying to connect Google Drive to Make.com? You're not alone. But don't worry, today I'm going to show you exactly how to set up a smooth, error-free connection. And if you don't want Google to disconnect your apps every week, stick around for the bonus tip at the end of this video. Okay, let's dive in. To automate workflows with Make.com, you need two key apps connected: Google Drive and Gmail. If they aren't connected properly, your automation won't run. Here's what we'll do. First, open a blank workflow in Make.com. Click this little button here and select Gmail. Now click any option, let's say the first one, and you'll see an option to create connection. Sounds easy, right? But here's where most people hit a wall. Google will throw an error if the connection isn't set up correctly. Let's fix that now. The first thing you need to do is log into Google Cloud Console. Here's how. Click on Select Project from the top menu. Hit New Project and give it a name. I'll name mine Email Automation. Click Create, wait for it to load, and boom, you've got your project dashboard. Once your project is ready, you'll see a dashboard. Great. Now let's enable the necessary APIs. Think of APIs as bridges that allow two apps, like Google Drive and Make.com, to communicate. To enable the right APIs, follow these steps. On the left-hand menu, go to APIs and Services, and click Library. Search for Gmail API, and click on it. Click Enable. Repeat the process for Google Drive API. Once both APIs are enabled, Make.com can access these services. Now let's move on to configuring permissions. OAuth is the secure handshake that gives Make.com permission to access your Google account. Here's how to set up the OAuth consent screen. In Google Cloud Console, go to APIs and Services, OAuth consent screen. If you're using a personal Gmail account, select External. If it's a Google Workspace business account, select Internal. Click Create and give your app a name, e.g. Make Connection. Enter your email under Support Email. Under Authorized Domains, add Make.com Integromat.com, Make.com's former name. Save and continue. We've set up the OAuth consent, but now we need to define the level of access Make.com has. Let's configure the API scopes next. Scopes define how much control Make.com has over your Google data. We're going to allow access to Drive and Gmail. On the OAuth setup page, click Add or Remove Scopes. Scroll down and find options related to Google Drive and Gmail, googleapps.com/drive and googleapps.com/auth/gmail. Select these options and click Update. With scopes added, Google knows exactly what permissions Make.com needs. Save your changes and move to the next step. We need to define test users for the OAuth consent screen. These are the accounts allowed to test your app before full verification. On the Test Users page, enter the email you're using for the Google Cloud project, typically your own email address. Click Add to confirm. Save your changes by clicking Save and Continue. Now you'll see a summary of the OAuth setup, including the permissions, scopes, authorized domains, and test users you configured. Double-check everything to make sure it's correct. If everything looks good, click Back to Dashboard. Now it's time to create the credentials that Make.com will use to authenticate with Google. Go to APIs and Services, Credentials. Click Create Credentials and choose OAuth Client ID. Select Web Application as the application type. Name it something meaningful. Under Authorized Redirect URIs, add the links provided by Make.com. You'll find these in the connection setup process. Click Create. You'll now get two codes, the Client ID and Client Secret. Keep these handy because they're essential for the next step. With the OAuth credentials ready, we can finalize the connection. Head back to Make.com. Enter the client ID and client secret you just generated. Sign in with the Google account you used to set up the project. You might see a warning saying the app isn't verified. Don't worry, click Continue. Confirm the connection prompts until you see that Google Drive and Gmail are successfully connected. If you don't publish your app, Google Cloud will disconnect your APIs every week. Here's how to avoid that. Go to OAuth consent screen in Google Cloud. Click Publish App and confirm the prompt. That's it.